Welcome to my channel JobsTuber. Friends, today SPMCL published one job notification for the recruitment of 42 supervisor posts, and for that post the eligibility is either diploma or BTech in these streams, particular streams: mechanical engineering or electrical engineering, electronics and communication engineering, computer science engineering, or printing engineering. Each stream has certain number of courses. So friends, in this video I am going to explain regularly that exam related important books and expected cutoff. At the same time I will try to explain the written exam pattern. So friends, let's see. First of all, I am going to show you the job notification, advertise number 3 2020, and the notification came today evening. So the online application will start from tomorrow onwards, 22nd November 2020, and the last date for the applying online is 21st December 2020. So one month time is there. So payment of fees also in online mode, also same. From tomorrow onwards the payment, applicants can pay the fee from tomorrow onwards, and the last date for payment of fees is 21st December 2020, and the exam going to held on either on in January or February of 2021. Now come to vacancies details. These are the vacancies for welfare officer, one post; supervisor technical operation, supervisor technical control, 8 posts and 7 posts. For this both posts, the candidates who completed either their diploma or BTech in printing technology, they are eligible for this post. And when we comes to supervisor technical operation studio, this is a non-technical post. The candidates who completed their degree in bachelor of arts or some other non-technical streams, they are eligible for this post. And now comes to supervisor technical operation, mechanical and AC plant maintenance. These posts, 9 posts are there, and the candidates who either did their diploma or BTech in mechanical engineering, they are eligible for this posts. Now comes to supervisor technical operation electrical. The candidates who did either their diploma or BTech in electrical engineering, such candidates are eligible for this 8 posts. Now the supervisor technical operation for track and trace system, the CSC candidates, CSC and IT candidates who did their diploma or BTech in CSC or IT, they are eligible for this 2 posts. And supervisory technical operations electronics, these are also 2 posts. The candidates who did their diploma or BTech, either diploma or BTech in electronics, they are eligible for this post. And the civil posts also there, 2 posts. The candidates who did their diploma or BTech in civil engineering, they are eligible for this post. I am going to put this notification in description box, friends. Those who are interested, please once watch this notification. Either you will get a notification on SPMCL site also. At the same time I am going to post in my description box below the YouTube video. Friends, now comes here given that only, friends. Requisite qualifications: operation first class full diploma. The diploma should be in first class in printing technology, first class full time diploma in printing technology. For these 2 posts, the diploma or BTech in printing technology is required. Now for studio, non-technical background graduates are eligible for this post. And for this post, the mechanical either diploma candidates or BTech candidates are eligible for these posts in mechanical engineering. These are the details. Now I have merged both photos. You can observe this. Now I explained here in detail the supervisor printing technology, the diploma or BTech in printing technology. For such candidates 15 posts are there. And for mechanical engineering 9 posts, electrical engineering 8 posts, be it diploma or btech in computer science 2 posts, diploma or btech in electronics and engineering 2 posts, diploma or btech in civil engineering 2 posts. Now guys, age limit, the upper age limit for that post is 30 years is the upper age limit. So candidates should be burned not earlier, means the candidate should be burned not earlier than 22/12/1990 and not later after 21/12/2002. Those candidates only are eligible. Now age relaxation also there for SC, ST, OBC, PWD categories. Candidates can observe this. Now comes to selection procedure. Friends, the selection is completely based on the written examination, objective type examination. The examination will be online examination, computer based test. So online examination. There is no interview for this post. Only written exam will be conducted, and it is the final selection is based on written exam only. In that written examination, the examination paper pattern is the paper comprise of professional knowledge, logical reasoning, general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and English language. 5 sections will be there in the paper. So the professional knowledge section comprise of 72 questions and 72 marks. General awareness section comprise of 12 questions, 12 marks. English question comprise of 12 questions, 12 marks. Logical reasoning section comprise of 12 questions, 12 marks. And quantitative aptitude section comprise of 12 questions, 12 marks. And the duration will be 2 hours. So total the paper for 120 questions, 120 marks. And at the same time the test will be in bilingual form, means the candidates can choose any of this language, either Hindi or English, for the question paper. The minimum qualifying cutoff marks is for general category minimum, which is the minimum. Below that you will be not be in the merit list. So this is the minimum cutoff marks out of 120 marks. So at the same time, one thing to mention is, important thing is, there is no negative marking. So definitely the cutoff marks will going to be high for selection. Now online exam will be tentatively in the month of January or February 2021, and the online examination will be conducted in these centers. 9 centers are given here: Nasik, Mumbai, Delhi, Noida, Kolkata, Bhopal, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Chennai. So applicants, the candidates can select any one center, their choice, as their choice. Now guys, come to discussion about important books and expected cutoff. Now the selection process comprises of only written test, and the written exam will be comprised of 120 questions, 120 marks. Each question carry 1 mark and no negative marking. So paper pattern is 120 question, 120 marks, duration 120 minutes. So the written exam 120 question, 120 marks, technical questions, general awareness questions. The technical questions will be of diploma level standard. It means very much of the questions are came from theoretical type questions only. Not much numerical type questions can be expected in this examination. At the same time, general awareness 12 marks, English language questions 12 marks, logical reasoning 12 marks, quantitative aptitude 12 marks. These sections are of 10th class standard, so we can expect easy level questions only from these 4 sections. And the subject section will be of diploma level standard. So now general awareness important books 12 marks and 12 questions. For the general awareness, Lucent General English is enough for preparation. So candidates can prepare one book. At the same time, they should be prepare 1 year current affairs also from any standard material. The candidate should read. Here the book logo. Now the English section 12 marks, 12 questions. Important books to study is one book is enough, that is English Acumen by Gopal Varma. This book has easy explanation and can complete very quickly. So candidates can complete this book very quickly and can revise this book also. At the same time, book also complete the good matter regarding English subject, and the candidate should practice SSC CHSL previous year solid papers also. Here I am going to displaying the logo of the book. At the same time, for reasoning section, 12 marks and 12 questions. Important books for reasoning is this one book is enough. How to crack test of reasoning Arihant series, best book for beginners. And at the same time, very less time is there for the exam, so the candidates can complete this book in very less time. So they can do quick revision, at the same time can focus on other subjects also, like technical subjects as well as on other English or general awareness. So at the same time, please practice SSC CHSL previous year question papers also. It's the logo. Quantitative aptitude, 12 marks, 12 questions is there. One book also, for this also one book is enough. Fast track objective arithmetic, Arihant publication. At the same time, please practice this SSC CHSL previous year question paper quantitative aptitude section from this paper, sir. This is the logo. Now comes to professional knowledge section. Professional knowledge section, 72 questions will come from this section, 72 marks. This section comprises of technical subject question based on candidates chosen stream, means and the diploma, the candidate diploma or BTech subject stream. So let's see. Important books for technical subject section. I will suggest important books individually for each stream. For mechanical candidates, for triple E candidates, for EC candidates, for CSI and IT candidates, for civil candidates. First of all, I will suggest the important books for computer science stream candidates. For computer science diploma candidates or BTech candidates, it is very sad to say that very less number of books, objective question banks will be available in the market. So after a lot of after doing lot of analysis, I got these 3 books only. I will prefer you these 3 books only. First book is Made Easy Practice Book, MCQ for FCS and IT. Good book is there from Made Easy Publications. At the same time, Arihant series CS and IT handbook for clearing concepts of CS and IT, each and every topic. And at the same time, please practice this MCQ in computer science by Timothy Williams. Here the book logos. MCQ in computer science, Timothy Williams. This is Made Easy. Now for mechanical candidates, 72 marks and 72 questions will come from mechanical engineering stream. For mechanical candidates, I will suggest only 2 books. Objective Mechanical Engineering by Sajal Kumar Singh, Khanna publisher. At the same time, Mechanical 5000 Objective, R.S. Kurmi and Gupta. At the same time, please practice SSC JEE Mechanical Engineering previous year paper practice. So here the book logos, a textbook of Objective Mechanical Engineering, Sajal Kumar Ghosh, Mechanical Engineering Conventional 5000 plus Objective by S. Chand. Now comes to electronic stream candidates. The 72 questions, 72 marks. For electronic stream candidates, I will suggest only 2 books. Upkar Objective Electronics and Telecommunication book, diploma level book. This is at the same time Integrated Course in Electronics and Communication Engineering by R.K. Rajput. These both books are very well published books, so the candidates can practice the questions from this level, these books. And comes to electrical. For electrical candidates, I will suggest 4 books. First book is Integrated Course in Electrical Engineering by J.B. Gupta. Then next is Integrated Course in Electrical Engineering by R.K. Rajput, Birla publication. Then SSC JEE previous year practice question papers, the candidates can practice objective, tier 1 objective questions. At the same time, VK Mehta's Objective Electrical Technology by S. Chand Publications. Here is the logos. For civil candidates, I will suggest two books. Civil Engineering by S.P. Gupta and S.S. Gupta, CBS publication. At the same time, Civil Engineering 4500 plus objective question by S. Chand. And at the same time, candidates can practice SSC JEE previous year question papers. Civil objective type question papers. So, comes to safe score. The candidates, every candidate, every aspirant, whoever want to crack this supervisory post, they must target for 110 plus marks in written exam out of 120. Why 110 plus? Because the vacancies are very less. At the same time, the SPMCL allow BTech or MTech graduates also to write this diploma level exam. At the same time, there is no negative marking in the exam, so there will be heavy competition in the exam. So you must score high marks only to be in this safe zone for final selection. So finally guys, the video is over. Please, for more government job related interested news, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.